In this tutorial, we will calculate the volume of lead and tail slurry, as well as the displacement volume for a 9/5/8" casing. We should select cement and drilling volume, and switch on the float collar switch. This will set up all required entry fields for a primary cementing calculation. We will start by loading the previous casing details. Then enter the casing depth. Now, we should enter the open hole details. Followed by the bottom depth. After entering the previous pipe and open hole, we will switch to the inner casing pipe. We will similarly select the pipe size, and enter the bottom of the casing depth. We have intentionally entered the wrong TD point, to demonstrate how the module will handle the error. We should then enter the float collar depth. Now, it is time to define the fluids pumped. We will switch on the desired number of fluids starting from bottom. A maximum of 5 fluids can be selected. We can enter our own defined fluid name. The shoe track volume will be added to the bottommost fluid. If only a lightweight slurry is to be pumped, then it should be entered in the place of the tail slurry. The top depth of each fluid shall be entered in the corresponding cell. In our case, we entered a wrong TD, which is shallower than the casing point and the float collar. When running the calculation, we will be alerted, and the TD will be adjusted to match the casing point. Finally, we should save the case under a given name.